Hi friends, so Apple has finally released their iPhone 12 lineup, which includes iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So today I'll be discussing the pricings in India and a few details about the new iPhone 12 variants. I'm Alex and welcome to Miss Missing Tech channel. Let's get started. So the common feature about the iPhone 12 variants are that all of them will be having the 5G feature. They also are using the latest A14 Bionic chip, which makes the iPhone 12 very powerful compared to their predecessors. Along with that, they also have the OLED Super Retina XDR display on the new iPhone 12 variants. The main differences between the iPhone 12 variants are their sizes and camera features. Talking about the iPhone 12 mini is the smaller version of iPhone 12. It's even smaller than the iPhone 7 and 8 version with a display size of 5.4 inch. It has dual 12 megapixel ultra wide and wide camera system. It has the aluminum finish with sharp edges instead of curvy that was seen in iPhone 11 variants. For more durability, they are using a ceramic shield display that will increase the drop performance by 4%. iPhone 12 is a bigger version of iPhone 12 mini, which has a 6.1 inch display similar to that of iPhone 11. We get all the same features as that of iPhone 12 mini. The iPhone 12 and 12 mini comes in 5 color variants: the black, white, product red, green and blue colors. Moving on to the Pro models, iPhone 12 Pro has a 6.1 inch display similar to that of iPhone 12, and iPhone 12 Pro Max has a 6.7 inch display. These phones come in surgical grade stainless steel instead of the aluminum version in iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini. iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max comes in 4 variants: silver, graphite, gold and Pacific blue colors. It has a triple camera, 12 megapixel, ultra wide, wide and telephoto camera system, along with LiDAR sensor which allows for better low light autofocus and AR experiences. 12 Pro has 2x optical zoom, whereas 12 Pro Max has 2.5x optical zoom telephoto camera. The Pro variants has a new file format, which is the Apple ProRAW, which gives more control over the photos for post-photo processing with more details. The Pro model enables Dolby Vision, HDR, 4K video recording features. They have improved the night photography on all cameras, which means we'll get better night mode selfies in the latest iPhone 12 variants. For all the new iPhone 12 variants, they will be including a USB-C lightning cable in the box without any charging adapter or earports. All the iPhone 12 variants have IP68 certification, which makes it water resistant. The new MagSafe technology used on all the iPhone 12 variants allows the wireless charging to be faster and safer, to allow it to be accurately placed without falling off, and can be used with various accessories. As speculated, none of the new phones will be having a 120Hz display refresh rate this year as well. Regarding the pricing of iPhone 12 variants in India, the iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 will be coming in 3 variants: the 64GB, 128GB and 256GB. The mini will be starting at 69,900 Indian rupee, whereas the iPhone 12 will be starting at 79,900 Indian rupees. The Pro and the Pro Max lineup will be having 3 variants: the 128GB, 256GB and 512GB. The Pro models start at 1,19,900 Indian rupee, whereas the Pro Max model starts at 1,29,900 Indian rupees. That's all from me today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech news and reviews. See you all soon. Stay safe.